them coochie cutters. Bring my doggy out that cell, straight up out the gutter. Bring them niggas every single position, needed feeling. And I fear I didn't see it, it was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Bring her hair while she taught me might give her concussion. I don't like discussions, I'm too rich for fussing. Look her dead in her eyes and how that pussy bustin'. I ain't never cuffin'. Bring my corner baby doggy psyched out still. Your baby daddy broke, no need for him to ride a wheel. I put paint on my nails, bitches fucking still. It's so money in my bank that I'm spinning still. Lifestyle shit get twisted, I've been living shady. I've been beating up that sack like I'm Devin Haney. I don't need a rap friend, I'm a step solo. I try anything once the lifestyle yellow. I don't wanna be posted on the blogs, I don't wanna answer calls. I did this shit for my dogs, I just beat up the mall. I just beat up my wrist, I was ducking IRS. I was taking that risk, I was taking that bitch. I was flying air jerks, I was taking that switch. Bitch, yeah. They gave me hands at 18, ain't know what to do. I fucking sack up at the jeweler, I was going stupid. Fell in love with the teller, I don't know Cupid. Gotta tell my stepper no, cause he'll really do it. Anywhere, everywhere, he don't give a damn. If did the club, reload the club, we call it sleight of hand. My memory bad, so I'm fucking baby, I don't cam. Go take a call, I copped the RP, a couple lambs. That boy's not a king, penny sold a couple grams. He ain't no gangster, grow up better than Adonis Graham. Sus.
She fight to take me no in this cat, nigga can't even see me on wind. She fight to flight, nigga in this cat. She fight to flight me no way out of here. She fight to flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes ash for the dawn, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Perk of 2 million in the middle of my hood. Making no mud, I made out of the sword. Grow hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ain't just gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking it to look at the kid. Heard of the fountain, but making the Canada. Bring me this money like they my religion. This could be a man, they a sad vanity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them they touched 100 just off the gig. They came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kid. I talk about a bando, spent it on the crib. But look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. You know where I'm at, in the studio I'm in. I keep me no fully, no matter what I'm in. I have touch her ass, she don't think she Korean. You fucking me good, but you definitely win.
Oh, you went Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you went big stones. Oh, you made 2 extra M. Oh, you went ringtones. Oh, you went train on that bitch. Oh, you went ding dong. Oh, you went kingpin. Oh, you went wings in. Oh, you went hands on. Oh, you went singing. Oh, you went demon. Shoot out the demon. Man. Oh, you had king. Man, now that was green. Man, hey, you went flying 50 first. Hey, you went dry around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want wall it all my hole. Oh, you wanna line it all up. Hey, I wanna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field, not the field. Hey, you wanna steal in the spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Rolls Royce still on the field. Yo, yo. serial killer, nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all third on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga I'm rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spinning on business and spinning and spinning and spinning until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you never step of help with none of you killin'. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were trippin'. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Up and now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off from the bitch. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate, cause I'm a criminal. Yeah, cut dope in KTV, let the wide open. Wait till my sniper get out. All you niggas gon' die. Time rolling, bustin' on my opponent, no how I'm stepping. Crush my arcs, totally wood jet broke, no motion. Sleeping on sofas, creeping in highs like roaches. I done went cage and stayed in the cage. I free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka Twilly Carvin. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Up and now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off on the bit. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So they ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a gremlin.
Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect, I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to high. Hey. 4S13, stepping on shit to this pride. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Tellin' her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it take. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow. That's cause the necklace of Frank. Heard. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 60 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy, hold up, hold up, hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? Texting emojis, tongue out eggplant, bustin' went over her head. Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Pussy, yeah. Let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head before. Ops get undivided attention, I give them my all. How you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the month? How? Make a distance, see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fleet, I don't do back ends and fronts.
No, let's have sex in the bank. Tellin' her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it take. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace of Frank. Heard. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had to hit 60 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in a two to make back pillows in the back. Too many vibes and they fully acting, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still on me? How you gon' do that? Snatch a Ruger bag, give a nigga a yak attack. I get my shooter whack, meat and cheese and that's the rap. It ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and Glenn, I'm fuck the same, oh, how you do that bitch? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch it, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go to a special hook up, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than you know, and she like, I how you get that shit, you got a man on your hoe. Let me back sit, bitch, I'm too rich to drive a road. Walk my shit like plumber, me and gun and diamond flex. I'm gon' ball out summer, just all grinding for a month. Lil' hop out dump, shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gone electric. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turtle little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'm a fuck of friends and send her back to metro housing. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chat. Yeah, yeah. I pop out, get ghosts on the bitch, you don't know where I went. They follow my dogs, all my niggas behind the fence. Dripping in it, I'm spilling in it, new designer gear by coaster. Pay attention to the detail, going two-tone on choker. Young niggas always ready to murder, some call them smokers. Young nigga had motion, on, make sure the car get hit a 360, windmill when I left the seat. That's that action, her best work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash, too sexy for this serve, too sexy for these pills, I'm too sexy for this. I get cash wherever I fly, got bitches sexing on me. Money, cars, and all the jewelry, make a business sex. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chat. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm sexy.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping their gums and bumping my tape. Don't go against me, they ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept. Yup, she got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't compare. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got up and got herself out of there. I see they put me on memes and things. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real. 8 figures a year, what it cost me to live. Don't hold it, just say what you feel, but watch your mouth before I flash your bitch. To a place that she didn't know exists. Mediterranean water my wrist. Keeping on piss, how I'm talking my shit. 6-figure check for a show, man, I'm lit. Let's celebrate in my bag, legit. These niggas with me with whatever I'm with. Didn't know who did it, got everybody hit. Bitch, I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial. How you wanna go back? How you wanna do it? I don't backtrack, man, fuck that. I don't miss nobody. I don't miss nothing. Left it on scene, I ain't right back. I don't trust nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. These bitches will cry and be lying in your face. Slicker than us, gotta know how they play. If the money went straight, you won't be here today. Ain't that man, sure know what to say. You ain't me, so it's hard to relate. What? How much cash I fuck off every day? Big bag, don't play with me.
Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on this, heart on this, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on this, getting the best of me. Was in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on this, heart on this, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on this, getting the best of me.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain in July.
the magic go. I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
Oh, you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall. See, it's funny cause I never thought this would end. But then the season changed.
You were my girl. Should've made you my wife. Should've did everything to make you happy, baby. Oh yeah. That's right.
And I will turn into a butterfly. I will spread my wings and fly. Whoa. And I'm too fly for the shit. Oh, I am Japanese. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. We can reach away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheap beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. We can wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave this. I say, how I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now shorty grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance, just one good step, one good step. Now with the music is moving too fast, now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, attention, you're making me want to say, oh. You're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say, oh. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. You're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah, you're tryna leave. Oh, how I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you can understand, y'all make hands like this. Make the bounce like this. She want to, man.